Wow, this has been a journey.
Wow. Guys, I'm not telling a lie. You see that? Whatever it is, I'll go on. It'll mash up the signal and everything. We so heated into the game and everything, but it just make everything like a blank out and a restart. So we are gonna do things different right now. We are gonna do it different because me see when people join the live, it kind of make the signal drag down, and we don't want just kill out the vibes and just make everything get frustrating and everything. We are gonna give you this credit, but we are gonna do it differently. All right. So everybody, welcome back again to the live. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with us through everything. All of the past winners, then big up on yourself. Remember, say if you send me on a name and on a phone number. And right now, we are gonna do things differently. We won't be adding anyone to the live. What we will be doing is we will be asking you the question. We're gonna ask 5 questions. We are gonna ask the question them, and the person who comment the answer first, them are the one.
How about the person that sends it to your DM? The first one.
I can't go check. I have to go come out of this to go check.
But then it'll still be in your DMs. Yes?
It will, but then would I have to come off at the live, and then if them send it, I can't check if it fully correct or not. But here everything when they send, I can like see it right there and now.
Gotcha.
Alright, so the person who comment the full correct answer first will get the credit. You know, if you answer 3, it's just the one question, alright? So we are going to answer 5 questions. We are going to ask 5 questions. If you understand what I say, guys, just send me a thumbs up or some heart or something so I know say, when you get what I say for all the new people them. It's the first person to comment the answers first will be getting the credit. That's how we're doing it now. Alright? So now ready, get the fingers ready and stuff. Yeah, we're ready now.
So the first person that gives us the correct answer is gonna get the top up.
Yeah. Come first that.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, I think that will work. Pin that one there, that show that one there. Good. Alright. So everybody who come on the live, then we'll see what it is about right now. Alright, first question. Guys, remember, get the fingers them ready because of the maybe I'll get the pen and the something them because
There you go.
may have to make sure say I write down the name immediately. You know?
Alright, let's get started.
Question number 1.
Number 1. Name me 2 Jamaican rivers that starts with the letter W.
2 rivers that starts with W. The first person to comment those answer walk away with a top up right now. Right now, it's all about the 1,000 subscribers giveaway, and we are making it as easy as possible so anybody can win. Right now, we're ready. Repeat the question, baby.
Alright. Name 2 Jamaican rivers that begin with the letter W. I think my stump.
Oh my, they never ready for that one.
No.
Alright. Somebody
Yay!
say, hey! Alright. Unique. IQUE. So rated unique underscore DXN. What with your name, mama? Correct. First winner. So congratulations. You are walking away with a top up. You're walking away with a top up. Alright.
That works better.
That easy. Guys, you don't like that game here? Quick and easy. Just like that. No bag of hassling. Yeah?
Alright, next question.
Next question.
Ready?
Hold on there. For the persons who are living overseas, and if you comment your answer and everything, but you have family member, when we DM you or you DM us, you can just send us the number of the person who you would want the credit to send to who reside in Jamaica. Alright? Alright, let's go, baby.
You ready?
Let's
You
go.
ready?
Question
You
number
ready?
2.
Question number 2. Name 3 dances from Ding Dong.
Uh-oh. 3 ding dong dancers. Come. Me know say uno know this. Name and everything. Come. I'm nervous. I know nothing can spell them like. 3 of ding dong dancers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's all about our 1,000 subscribers giveaway. Alright? Mirated. Ali, no.
That's right. Fling. Shampoo.
It's not the
I
dance.
say
That name of and the
That's
dance.
right. Miss it.
Oh, dancing.
Dancing.
I thought you said dancers.
No.
Okay.
No, everybody got one.
Alright.
So
Ali, correct. You got it, Ali. Yay.
so much easier this way.
I love this game. Alright, Mirated. See there? Ali, congratulations. You are walking away with your top up. You are the second winner. All right. Buzzy. Congratulations. No, man.
That's good.
That is good. Text fast, though. Afraid of them, man.
But all about, the rivers.
Yeah.
I love the rivers.
I know you do, baby. And beaches.
All
All right, settle down.
right. Name 2 rivers that start with the letter M.
2 rivers that start with the letter M. Comment your answer. The first person to comment the correct answer, walk away with a top up. Let's go. Letter M.
What's that?
Nervous.
Are we looking these answers up?
All right. Milk River and Morant River. That's correct.
All right.
All right.
Miss
All right.
Wellington.
Miss Wellington, congratulations. Oh, she did answer 2 more questions.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you got a top up. Miss Wellington, why your name is so long, mama? All the year. Name, age, and everything. All right, congratulations. Congratulations. Pick up yourself. All right, we only have 2 more to go. Answer the question correctly and you get a top up just like that. It's all about our YouTube 1,000 subscribers giveaway. Guys, we said this is a giveaway. Easy.
I'm glad we figured out this way because the connection is so bad. There's so much rain going everywhere. There's a hurricane headed our way, so our connection is just both the ways is pretty bad. But welcome to everybody who just joined. Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Hello.
Yes. We're all about celebrating now our 1K giveaway. And just thank you so much for supporting us, supporting the journey, supporting our channel. And as you know, we will be pushing our Female Energy clothing brand in Jamaica soon. It's already here.
Can we plug that real quick? Can we plug that real quick?
Yeah.
Talk about it.
All right. Tell them about it, baby.
All right. So we have a different clothing line that's out. We don't have it officially out because we want to come to Jamaica and have Jamaica people be involved. So we're doing a casting call for models. Men and women. If you know anybody, if you like to do it, just go ahead and DM Femi Energy, and we will look at your headshot, and we want a full body shot, front and back. And of course, you will get paid. I mean,
that is a must. That is a must.
So we just, want to have the people be the face for us. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. For our new clothing line, and it's exciting.
It is so exciting.
I wear it. It's pretty bad, everybody. It's
the
nice.
Reviews, everybody right now, they might go crazy. Over here, it is like it take off. It take off already over here. So we can just imagine, Jamaican them extra.
Yes.
We can just imagine when they drop down there, a problem.
Yes.
So guys, big up on yourself. Thank you. And as we say, if you know of anybody or if you want to do it, just DM the Female Energy page. The link for that page is in my bio. You can just click it and you go to it and you know if it's in already. All right, we only have 2 more questions to go. Ready? Uno ready? See it, you know?
Alright, let's do some of your stuff.
This one?
Your stuff.
Alright.
What did you write? Your stuff.
How will I put them? After me remember where I put them.
This is all my paper.
Alright. Oh, yes, so? Yes, see it, yeah. Alright. This one is easy, guys. Who is... I need the full name. The full name.
Correct
Don't play with
spelling.
me.
Correct spelling.
Correct spelling. Whose face is on a Jamaican $100 bill? Whose face is on a Jamaican $100 bill? Give me the name. Full name.
Just comment with the name.
Comment the name.
Spell it right.
Spell it right. You get a top up. Come just like that. Easy, easy. Come on, man. When the phone them a glitch. And people have said, why? A long time if you get rid of that phone there, you know, see there. Full name. No man, but you buzzy man. Donald Songster, One Smaddy, Ali, Sir Ratted, Sir Donald Song. I don't know, I'll get the caps right. Alright. But Ali phone she well top up, eh?
Oh.
Right. It's
coming.
not ready. Ali phone she well top up.
Is it correct? Yes.
Yeah, correct, correct.
So what are you doing?
Yeah, get the name.
That's not the same person. Right there.
Oh, same Smaddy.
Yeah,
Right.
that's it.
Alright,
Look,
alright.
look.
Me need a look, none at all, baby.
This for two.
Alright, 2 top up. Ali, you come out
Alright.
strong. Congratulations.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Congrats again, Ali. Top up 2 times. Alright.
Alright. So next question. Everybody ready?
Everybody ready for this?
So you're going to be writing the answer in the comment section. We're not going live with anybody, just so that the connection is bad. You know, we got this big storm coming and everything, and we want everybody to participate. So we're going to ask a question, and you're going to put the answer in the comments, and whoever puts it in correctly out first gets the top.
Alright.
Alright.
Sit down now. Next question. This is a 2-part question, alright? What is the name of the tallest mountain in Jamaica, and also how many feet? Yeah, man, me I say no go do no homework you know. You don't know? Tallest mountain and how many feet? Answer 2-part correctly, you get your top up, just like that. Oh, Jesus. May I see the answer, I know, but the answer is 2 parts, we have be in 1.
Try again, guys.
Try again.
How many feet? How tall
many
is
feet?
it?
Alright, Vanny Blues, come out. It is the Blue Mountain, and it is 7,402 feet tall. Yeah. Big up yourself. Congratulations, Vanny. We will be sending you your top up, you know. Yes. But I'm not late, man. I'm not late. Vanny Blues.
The good thing about it is, you know,
Alright.
everybody can participate, and we're educating everybody.
Yes,
y'all
and
guys are
myself.
educating me.
I
honestly.
educate me too, cause some things I never know.
Oh
Alright, guys.
No.
I think that is.
We'll do one more. We
We'll
said
do
we
bonus.
we do one
We'll do one more.
All right, so I'm American, guys, and there's certain things that look like my food that is not my food. So this is a trick bonus question. I come to Jamaica.
No, yeah, I can say that.
My baby want to cook me breakfast, and I think it's eggs, but it's not. What is it?
Bonus question. Alcatos Entertainment. If you all don't get this, you know, man. Big Chef. Yeah. All if you don't get this now, you know. You don't know.
I stamp them.
I don't know. I wonder if a signal a pick up. Our phone freeze. I'm not sure what going on. Rotted. Alright, hold on. Somebody official turned in. No.
Yeah,
Rotted.
there you
I saw
go.
long.
Reese.
Me Jesus. Reese. Reese got it first. Reese. Aki it is. Aki it is. Congratulations. Reese.
I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, so I don't like it. But when I ate it, I thought it was supposed to be egg. So, but to each his own. Who else got it right? Everybody got it right.
Aki
I don't
it
know.
is.
What is that?
Aki look like egg.
Aki looks like egg.
Because you know, you've never seen it before, and the way it looked like it would have been like scrambled eggs to some extent. So yeah,
that was funny.
That was really funny.
That was
all right.
funny.
I think that is it, baby.
That's it. Let's see. Go back up. I just want to read. I thought I saw catfish or something.
What?
What was that?
Saltfish.
Oh.
Yeah. Laugh. Terry Berry, you should have known better. I'm disappointed. All right, that is it. I just want to say, guys, thank you so much to everybody who participated. You know, we really appreciate the support, the love. It was all about our 1,000 subscribers giveaway. You guys did that. Yes, you guys did that. Thank you. And for all the new persons, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, the link is in my bio. Go on over and subscribe, or just search YouTube, Tami Winkle, hit the subscribe button. Ding. Easy, easy. Yes, thank you so much, guys. This was our little way of giving back, and guys, it could have never get any easier. Dark truth. It could have been no easier. Fun and entertaining. Thank you so much for participating. I know, guys, you really take your time out for join us today. You never have to, but you guys did, and we appreciate you. All right.
Are they gonna DM you your number?
All right. So for all the persons who won, please DM me your number and which SIM it is. Which SIM or which? What am I not saying now?
Carrier.
Yeah,
like
which carrier it is, like Digicel, Lime, Jesus. Not a paid promotion, yes, Fluor. No. Oh, anybody, but you know what I mean, the name, your number and which carrier it is, yeah. And that is it. That is it, baby. You want to say anything else?
Just plug one more time, you know, guys, if you know anybody that would love to be a model, male or female, we're taking all sizes. If you can DM Femi Energy.
The link is in my bio as well.
The link is in her bio, and we just need a headshot, a body shot, front and back, and we'll be glad to, you know, have the people represent us.
Represent the country.
It is a paid job.
That is almost skies. Come on, seriously? It is paid. It's a contract. Yes. Yeah.
So hopefully you guys can know someone or be a part of it.
And guys, you don't have to be like a professional model. No. If you're just like natural, you know, photogenic, then look away.
Photogenic, but not shy.
Not shy. Not shy.
We're gonna need that shot, and we don't want to like pull it out. I don't want to show it because we have bathing suits, we have streetwear. We have a lot of things that we just
casual wear, formal wear, club wear, resort wear, vacation wear.
It's some nice
everywhere.
Things. So
everywhere.
If
guys.
you are interested, check Tami's bio. You'll see Femi Energy link there. Send us a headshot, a front body shot, and a back shot, full body.
Right. And it don't matter your complexion or your size, because you know we need like big girls too and stuff. We cater to like everybody.
Gender doesn't matter.
Gender doesn't matter.
Gender doesn't matter.
Just real people, guys.
And we will be coming There's some questions.
All right, questions.
We'll be
about
coming to Jamaica early part of next year, but we have to make the clothes. Everything we do, we make it. We sew it ourselves. So if we pick you, we have to get the size and everything so we can make it. Make sure it's true to size. If you wear a 4, let's make sure it's not a 0 that you're requesting, because we can't bring our machines down there.
We know how Jamaicans stay. Nobody's not a large. Everybody's a medium or a small. You don't know. So make sure on a true size. When somebody say, yeah, me wear a small, and then the time come on, you have struggle for going in. Me know, in it, you know, me know in it. I will not bring no machine down there and everything to fix it. All right. What you say? None for men.
Age group. We would definitely need you to be
of age.
Of age.
Of age is required.
Of age.
Yes.
We don't want to get in trouble.
Yeah, none at all.
Of age. We have things for men.
Yeah, we have.
The men fire right now. Fire right now.
The men clothes on fire. We not ask right now. Everybody over here I go crazy over the men stuff. Seriously. So I know when you see them, it will be lit. So if you say, guys, as I say, if you're interested, you know what to do. Just send us the stuff. If we choose you, you will know by December. Yeah, because then you know we have to get your measurement and everything to make it specifically for you. So when we come, we just shoot and go. Yeah.
Answer, Miss Terry.
Terry, you're interested? All right, Terry, you know what to do. Just send us the shots and send it to the Female Energy page, which is in my bio. All right, and that's it. That is it.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Happy Sunday. Bless up on yourself. Peace.